We are going to see the estimation, costing, and valuation of the third topic, that is tender. Before getting what is the tender actually? Do you have any idea regarding these things? No. Let me see. What is the tender and what is the tender? Okay. Tender means it is a process of making an offer, bid, or proposal, or expressing interest in response to an invitation or request for payment. Organizations will meet other businesses to respond to a particular need, such as the supply of goods and services, and will select an offer or tender that meets their needs and provides the best value for money. Classification of tender. There are five types of tender, that is open tender, seed tender, limited tender, single tender, and rate contract tender. First of all, open tender. The name itself it is given that it is open tender is the main tendering position employed by both the government and private sector. Open tendering allows anyone to submit a tender to supply goods or services required and offers an equal opportunity to any organization to submit a tender. This type of tender is most common for the engineering and construction industry. Sometimes it is advertised, it is used for selling small jobs. Okay? And it is the overlap between engineer and contractor. With selective tender or seed tender, it is invited for important and huge projects. Wide publicity is given. Always written documents or things. Limited tender, only selected number of contractors are invited to quote their rates. Single tender, invitation is given to only one firm to tender a service by quoting their rates. If the quoted rates are high, it will be organized or negotiated prior to the agreement of the contract. Rate contract usually adapted for supply of materials, machine tools, and plants, such as items to the store of items and store. And in this type of contract, if one is not mentioned, it specifies the supply at a fixed rate during the period of contract. What is a procedure for inviting tender? First, the tender documents are prepared, and then we need to issue of notice inviting tender of all, or we should call tender call notice, submission and opening of tenders and their scrutiny, acceptance of tenders and award of contract. That is, first we need to do tender notice, and then tender invitation, and then tender selection, and then tender award. That is the short. What are the contents or information to be given in the tender notice? Name of the department inviting the tender, name of the work and location, designation of officer inviting tender, last date and time of receipt of tender, period of availability of tender document, cost of tender document, time of completion and type of contract, earnest money deposit to be paid, date, time and place of opening the tender, designation of the officer opening the tender. What are the qualities of good tender and what are the stages involved in finalizing tender? Qualities of good tender is term of work specified in bill of quantity should be clear and specific. Working drawing need to be supplied wherever details are mentioned. All factory made products, trade name to be mentioned. Basic price materials such as bar, marble, granite should be mentioned. All the tenders shall be treated equally with the same information like specifications, drawings, and bill of quantities. Methods of calling tender, open or public tender, close or invited tender, pre-registration of contractors. Open or public tender it is most suitable for a semi-public and public organization. Competition is open to all. The notice should be published in the newspaper, magazine, etc. Notice should have the following information, that is name of the client, site address and building type, estimated cost of the work EMD, date of commencement of work, price of blank tender form, time and date of issue of blank tender forms, time and date of submitting the file full tenders. Details and internet based process. Okay. Before that, recent days everything is completely in a digital manner or electronic manner. That way, what is meant by e-tendering? From the name itself, it can be coming to the idea that e-tendering it is an internet-based process wherein the complete tendering process from advertising to receiving and submitting tender-related information are done online. This enables the firms to be more efficient as paper-based transactions are reduced are eliminated, facilitating for a more speedy exchange of information. Benefits of using a e-tendering are there is advantages of it shortens the procurement cycle, greater transparency, system-aided evaluation process, on-the-fly reports, it minimizes human error, minimal storage space, lesser hassle of communication, improvement in work culture. So, conventional tendering, that is manual tendering system and e-tendering system, main differences. It is prolonged procurement cycle, but in e-tendering it is short procurement cycle. It is bit expensive, whereas e-tendering is economical. It is based on paper-based procurement. It is eco and environmental friendly as everything is digital. E-tendering is an accurate process, whereas conventional tendering is possibility of having human errors. It is a physical security. It is a foolproof security. Wastage of risk, negotiated storage space. See, these are the types of tender notice for a school of planning and architecture. Uh, like this format can be given to advertisements in a newspaper and magazine, etc. From this, the contractors can apply for a tender and then they can file a tender procedure. In the process, when the tender of a contractor is accepted, an agreement between the contractor and the owner takes place, and the documents defining the rights and obligations of the owner and the contractor are attached to the agreement bond, and this is called a contract document. Classification of contract based on is lump sum tender, cost plus fixed percentage tender, cost plus fixed fee tender, target tender, percentage rate tender, item rate tender, ladder tender, joint HU tender, turnkey tender, indirect lump sum contract for flats or bungalows, and BOT system. Lump sum tender. In this system, the contractor undertakes the execution of a specific work for the defined lump sum amount within a specified time period, and completion of the work it is set as per drawings and specification and if approved, the amount is paid to the contractor. The quantities of various items is not measured. For the construction of sculptures and decorative works, this system is adopted. Cost plus fixed percentage tender. Under this system, the contractor furnishes labor and materials and completes the work for the actual total cost plus an agreed percentage of it as the profit of the contractor. The speed and quality of work is maintained in the system, but there is always tremendous wastage of materials as the contractor's aim is to increase the total cost of the work. The system is adopted only in the case of emergency works. Target tender. The contractor is paid a fixed fee on a prime cost basis for the work performed under the contract, and in addition, he receives a percentage of the savings affected against either a prior agreed estimate total cost or target value arrived without changing the specification. See, sorry, this is the lump sum tender document and how this will be here. Here we need to fill the details as mentioned. These are the types of tender we have seen. In next video, we shall see about contract and business. Thank you, Mr.